my dear students and friends. Today I have come to you with new and most important video which is related with introduction of trigonometry. Means we have to describe about trigonometry. This trigonometry, the branch of math, which is very important in our daily life. By this branch of math, we can find out the heights of the moon from the sun, moon from the earth, height of any tower from the ground, height of mountains from the ground level. So this branch of math is very important for you. Listen here, this trigonometry is based upon the right angle triangle in which at least one angle should be of 90 degree. Since that this triangle is known as right angle triangle, there is one angle of 90 degree. So how can we come to know about this branch? First, if this triangle is right angle triangle named as A, B and C. It is what? Right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Then basic introduction for this triangle. You know that in right angle triangle there are hypotenuse side which is just in front of 90 degree angle. The side which is in front of 90 degree angle, that is hypotenuse, and the side which is from its 90 degree base side, it is called base, that is small b base. And this line which is perpendicular from the ground level, and the ground level line, that is base, and the line which is perpendicular from its ground level, that line is known as perpendicular. Now we have to learn here some ratios. Trigonometry ratios, and first ratio we have to study here for sin theta. By this angle, when theta is included, then sin theta, that is equal to P upon H. Means what? Listen here. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that ratio is known as, for this angle theta, it is called as a theta. Okay. Now for this angle sin theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, the side which is just in front of the angle for which ratios are asked, the side which is just front of this angle, that is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, then sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And second ratio is cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse. And third one, that is tan theta, and it is perpendicular upon base. Now fourth ratio is here, cosec theta, and cosec theta is just opposite of sin theta. Cosec theta, COSEC, cosec theta, that is equal to 1 upon sin theta, inverse of sin, that is opposite, उल्टा. तो sin का opposite है, it means inverse, it means H at numerator and P at denominator. Now fifth ratio is here, sec theta, and it is just opposite of cos theta, and cos theta, opposite of cos theta, that may be what? H upon B, base, hypotenuse upon base. Now sixth one, that is cot theta, opposite of tan theta, and opposite of tan theta, that is base upon perpendicular. Now mainly there are 6 ratios and 2 ratios are more here, that is seventh one. We can write here tan theta, that is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Why? When we are going to find here sin tan theta, that is sin theta upon cos theta, then sin theta, that is P upon H, and what about cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse. Second value cancel out by fourth value. When there are 4 values, second will cancel out by 4. Then you will get here tan theta, that is P upon B, that is here tan theta P upon B. So this ratio is also here, which may be used when you have to prove the sequence. Now eighth ratio is here, now cot theta, that is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. In this way we have introduced you about the trigonometry here, and there are some important formulas, ratios, and you have to learn it by heart. It is must needed that you have to read out these carefully and learn by heart. Listen here. Try and try. You can reach up to your goal. If you are trying continuously, then you can achieve your goals. So, listen here carefully. You have to learn this by heart. If you don't have ability, then you can use some trick by here LAL बटे KA, लाल बटे कक्का. It is used for Hindi medium, and for English medium P upon B. it means what? For your simplest system, you have to listen here for it. PBP, HHB means what? In other way, you can read it by Pakistan, P for Pakistan, B for Bhukha, Pakistan Bhukha Pyasa, and H for Hindustan, Hindustan हरा भरा. ये तो याद हो जाएगा आसानी से. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. अब what is here? At this first place you will get sign. Second place you will get cos, and on third place you will get tan. And by inversing it, first at numerator h upon p. By inverse h upon p you will get cosec. H upon b you will get sec. B upon p you will get cot. In this way you can learn these ratios by you. Now we have to solve some questions related with trigonometric ratios. Okay, just in this example, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and sine A is given here 3 upon 5. Then find all other trigonometric ratios for angle A. Then how can we solve? There are 6 ratios I have told you in formula ratios. There are mainly 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So what is given? If right angle triangle is here and you have sine A is equal to 3 upon 5, then it means what? If right angle triangle is here, in this way, angle A, and what is given? Listen here carefully. Triangle ABC in which B angle is 90 degree. Then at 90 degree you have to write B. Angle B is equal to 90 degree, and here angle A, and what is given here? Sine A. Listen here carefully. Sine A is equal to 3 upon 5. And what about sine A? Formula for sine A, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and here you have 3 upon 5. Then listen. P perpendicular, that is 3, and hypotenuse, that is 5. So in this triangle, hypotenuse is just in front of the 90 degree, and for angle A, just in front of angle A, that is perpendicular, that is 3, and hypotenuse, that is 5. Now first you need to find out the third side, which is unknown. How can we find this third side? We have to use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. And now in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. What is here? By Pythagoras theorem. The theorem which is given by Pythagoras, and you have to study in your 10th course Pythagoras. Now listen here, Pythagoras theorem is here: hypotenuse square and perpendicular square plus base square. It means h square equal p square plus b square. So what is given in that triangle? Hypotenuse, that is 5 square, and put here value perpendicular, that is 3, का square and base is not given. So write down b square. Here 2 is 5 square, that is 25, and 3 square you will get 9. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9 and plus b square. You need to find out b, so take this value 9 to left side. You will get here minus 9 and here you have b square. Okay. Now subtract here. 16 equal b square and b equal under root 16, and now b is equal to 4. So AB base is equal to now 4, and you need in this question to find out the all other trigonometric ratios for angle A. So you should to find out for angle A, and how we have here sin A, then you need not to write sin A but cos theta, tan theta for angle A, cos A. So we have to write here cos A, and cos A, that is base upon hypotenuse, and base is what? 4. For this triangle, the line which is drawn from angle A to 90 degree, that is base, and the side which is just opposite side of angle A, that is perpendicular. Listen here, don't mistake in perpendicular base when you are writing the ratios. So base is here 4, cos A, you will get here 4, and hypotenuse, that is 5. Like this, here you have to write then tan A, and for tan A, the formula for tan A, that is perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular is 3. Write down 3 at the place of P, and what about B, that is 4. Then you have tan A is equal to 3 upon 4. Like this, cosec A, that is h upon P. Then what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5. And what about P? P is 3. Then listen here, perpendicular, just opposite from to the angle A, that is this BC. BC is 3. Then P, at the place of P you have to write 3. Then sec A, that is opposite of cos. It means hypotenuse upon base. It means hypotenuse 5 and base is now 4. And what about then cot A? Cot A is equal to what much? B upon P. It means 4 upon P is 3, 4 upon 3. In this way, this question is completed, and we have in other questions also, if sin A is given this much, then you can solve like this, or cos A is given here, then write down base into hypotenuse and then find out by Pythagoras third side, and then use the formula for these ratios. Okay, some questions may be there in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and two sides are given. Not given ratio, but two sides are given. If AC is given 5 already and AB is given 4, then by using Pythagoras theorem, and you can find the third side and then use formula for ratios. If this video is helpful to you, then subscribe also.